I had to run up to the school to do an errand for my sister, and they're sitting here having a fire drill. So guess what? I was supposed to run some stuff in for her. I'm sitting here. I thought it was going to be quick and simple. Get in and get out. Make it quick and simplify. But apparently that's not working out. Obviously, I'm not going to sell the school. There goes my brother running. Run, Michael, run! He works for the school. Oh, they're all the little brats going back in. See, all little brat. Yes, I call them brats. They're annoying. Okay, so I guess I can go and do my errand now. So, shut it off. Pull forward and apart. Oh, so I was going to make this quick and simplify. Get in and get out. I guess that didn't work as planned. But sucks to be me. Okay, well, alright. Later. I have more to my blog later. I just realized something. I don't know why I do that, but when I end a video, I always have to say, like, later, peace, I'm out. I don't know why I do stupid stuff like that. I just left the school, which is over there, over to my right, and I guess I'm heading back to the house right now. Calico. Really? I got the roadblock up to the left. I wanted to can I get this video deleted because of how I'm playing Metallica in the background on the radio? Now it's the Foo Fighters. I did it once where I'm on a one-way road and I went that direction without realizing it. And I forgot, oops, this is one way. Tell me, who else has not done that? Yeah. Moose. From 99 The Rock. I always watch this stupid sheriff guy who lives there. Watch him come home when I'm sitting away from my nephews get off work. I always wonder if he ever, he messes around with like other women. I won't be surprised. Excuse me. I had a cut on her mind. Can't get me for doing my video blogs. What's he gonna do? Not a damn thing. It's not illegal to video myself when I'm driving. As long as I keeping my eye on the road, not the cell phone. Tired. I was trying to figure out do I have anything planned for the day? I don't think so. So, cook dinner for the night, I guess. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I haven't decided. Okay, you guys have probably tried to see my ugly face. I'll do another video here here shortly. Oh, when I go out and do another errand. Later. Peace. I'm out. Okay, I'm leaving Walmart and I had to stop here to pick up some stuff. Try to take a slight detour instead of going down 10th Street. I'm going to go down 20th Street. Right. It will take me to my location I need to go anyway. So I got to go to Food for More. Oh, it was Food for More. It was Food for More, then, what was it? Now it's Country Mart. I forgot the name before that. Food for More really was all fruitful at. Before that, it was Bud. Before that, it was Walmart. In case anybody know, Bud's is the part of Walmart. It's like Sam. So, now I'm on Eisenhower. I don't want to miss my turn. It's up there anyway. I remember going down 20th Street, there was nothing on this road. Not a damn thing. Now there's a church there, and a bunch of other stuff. They're going to get on the left lane. Oh, come on. Name was Wagga Wagga Drive. Sister City to Wagga Wagga, Australia. Do I know where that is? No, never even bothered looking it up. 40 here. And let's set cruise control. And forget it. Oh, I'm tired. I roll the window up so I get a little bit cold, even if it's 56 degrees outside. It's cold when the wind blows. I'm going, I gotta go pick up my nephew, so I had to run up to Walmart to do with Aaron at Walmart, which I already said that. I'm heading over to Food for More. It's called Country Mart now, but before that, I already went to that. Right up here, what's coming up, I'll turn the camera out, my cell phone. Right up here is the new fire department and the new school they built. Don't know where the school's at actually, it's somewhere around in here. Don't really care really. There's the fire department. So I guess it looks at it this way. If I get into an accident, I don't have to go far for an ambulance or a fire truck on that. Yeah, you know what I mean. There's the bell right there. Excuse me. And here comes the school bus. What's 87? I wonder if they put the lights here. I don't call no lights being here. What do they do there? Probably for the school. I haven't been on this road in a while, you can tell. There's the school, Henry Leavenworth, right there. Henry Leavenworth. I'm on Vilas and 20th. I hit the stop button, so I just pressed Vilas and 20th. I hit the stop button, so I gotta combine these two videos together. So, I Or I guess I could just make like part 1 and part 2. You know, I wonder how these people do all these vlogs and stuff during the day. But, no, I'm trying to not think of getting them all mixed up together and stuff like that. I'm not trying to figure it out. Well, I'm going to get this video mixed up with the other video. Deer crossing, so I'm going to keep an eye out for deer. Well, last time I drove on this road, I remember now I remember why I don't like driving this road. My clutch system went out to my Honda went out. I went out on this road right here. Now it's stuck here. I ended up getting a ride. I was stuck back there actually on Violet. That was before Henry Leavenworth was made. So that school didn't even exist at all. Wow, I'm going to show you something. Look at that view. I'm coming down a hill. Look at that view. You can see into Fort Leavenworth. Oh, I'm drifting. That's just if I watch while I'm driving. Just look into the video. You can see Fort Leavenworth there. I wish I had a better camera system, but you gotta work with what I gotta work with. You know, not made out a bunch of money. I'm like everybody else. Works hard for what we get. Okay, well here's Food for More. Now known as Country Mart. Now it's 30 through here. Okay, later. Peace. I'm out.